Best Robot Vacuum for Pet Hair, Dreame Honest Review. So hello everyone, so in today's video I'll be doing a review right here for the Dreame Robot Vacuums. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a special link in the description below in where you can get special discounts or special promos if you're going to buy vacuums right here from Dreame. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the review. So here in the Dreame website, it has different kinds of vacuums that you can choose from. So they have, of course, the robot vacuums, the wet and dry vacuums, the cordless stick vacuums, and aside from vacuums, they also have like robot pool cleaners, robotic motors, window cleaning robots, hair dryers, air purifiers, TV and AV, and new lineups right here like the robotic mower and the delivery robot. So yeah, so currently we're going to do a review on the robot vacuums right here, specifically the X50 Ultra Complete. So this is their robot vacuum. So it has a hyper steam detangling dual brush which minimizes tangles. It has an industry first pro leap which can allow the robot to go over obstacles just like these ones over here. It has a VersaLift navigation for low space cleaning, dual flex arm technology for tricky corners, adaptive intelligent power dock, powerful suction, and it also has an app and voice control as well. So yeah, so in the box you'll get of course the robot vacuum, its charging station, the main brushes which are of course pre-installed, the brush guard, the side brush, the scale inhibitor, dust box, the mop pad holder, and the mop pad. So yeah, so these are the specs, and here are the sizes right here and dimensions. And yeah, so here are some additional details right here, like it has as well obstacle avoidance, has a big battery capacity, has a big dust box capacity, and of course it also has a built-in voice control. And of course the tank capacity is 4.5 liters or 4 liters. So yeah, so we have a review right here from Tech Radar. So the Dreame X50 Ultra complete review, and it says easily my favorite robot vacuum cleaner. So for the star rating, it has a 4.5 star rating out of 5 stars, and here are the pros and cons. So the verdict is for top-notch edge cleaning, a mostly hands-free experience, and thoughtful features that lead to a deeper clean, look no further than the Dreame X50. It's sleek, smart, and stylish, but prepare for slightly stunted battery life and occasionally spotty object detection. So for the pros, it has fast learning, thorough AI cleaning, can clear 2.4 inches or 6 centimeters thresholds, puck receipts to get under furniture, rigorous edge cleaning, and hot water mop pad cleaning. For the cons, it has spotty object avoidance, failed to detect fake pet feces, and the battery drains quickly. So yeah, but as you can see that the pros of course outweigh the cons, and if you're going to complain about the battery, it has smart charging, and where the robot will just go back to its charging station when it's about to drain out the battery. So yeah, so you really don't need to do anything. And of course the lift right here when going over obstacles, it's really neat and handy. So yeah, so this is a must-buy robot vacuum cleaner. So yeah, so that's pretty much for the review. So again, there will be a special link in the description below if you want to get special discounts and special promos if you're going to buy the robot vacuums right here from Dreame. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.